What's going on, everybody? Matt and Braxton out here at Big Pine Sports, and today we are out here with a couple of Yamahas, and we're going to chat with Braxton because we've had a couple customers come in and just say, hey, what's the difference between the Yamaha RMax XTR and the Yamaha RMax Limited, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Now, we've been studying this for a little bit so that we could get this right and be able to show you the differences between the two. So, Braxton, which models do we have out here right now?
Okay, so right now we have the Yamaha Wolverine RMax 1000 4-seater. We have the Yamaha Limited. Sorry, yes, Limited. And we have the Yamaha Wolverine RMax 1000 XTR. So,
okay,
Matt.
now, how many different models of the RMax Limited and the RMax XTR are there?
So you have the full-size 4-seater and 2-seater, which has a utility bed on the full size. We also have a compact that does not have the utility dump bed. For the 2-seaters, same thing. We just have the dump bed though. It's not a compact. It's already compact, folks.
Right.
So with that, ready to dive in?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Okay, so the question came up, hey, what's the difference between these two? So we dove in, and Braxton, why don't you tell us what we found out between both of them?
Okay, so
let's start with the Limited.
Okay, starting with our RMax Limited model. It is Yamaha's top tier flagship UTV. So some of the main things that we're going to get off the bat right away, it has fully adjustable suspension from within the cab on the fly.
Show us where at in here
so
we can find that.
You're doing 25, 35, 45 miles an hour going down the trail. It's a little too rough and you want to have some more comfort. So boom, you're going to hit comfort on your suspension. Shift on the fly, it says comfort on the dash. In addition to that, we have winches, electric power steering. We've got the 3 modes as far as sport trail, crawl. We also have 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, differential lock, and a turf mode when you're on the grass dealing with the utility bed in the backyard.
Hold on, before you hop out, now while we're still in here,
yeah,
what's another one of the differences that we found out between the Limited when it comes to the electronics up top, like
absolutely
stereo wise, speaker wise,
and dashboard wise? Okay, so with the dashboard we have a 4-inch
here, hold that, show us,
4-inch full spectrum digital display on the dashboard. We've got the different modes that we can access. You're able to adjust everything manually yourself here as far as display, colors, how bright it is. As far as the stereo system, we have premium sound in these Yamaha RMaxes, whether you go with this Limited version versus that XTR. And we're gonna play just a tune real quick so we don't get copyrighted. So speakers in the door, in the front and the back.
Yep.
Which the XTR only has.
Here, let me show you.
Speakers in the front.
Yep. So with the XTR, when it comes to the sound system, you come over here, you've got your speakers here in these doors, these front 2 doors. So go back into it. See, you got one there and one there. So you don't have any in the roof, or any back here in the doors. However, if you want to upgrade, these cutouts are right here in the door, so it should be pretty easy to add some speakers to the XTR if you wanted to.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so now going back to the dash, let's hop in here, we'll take a look. So this one doesn't have the same accessibility that the other one does. So you got your clock, your trip meter, your hour meter, same sport, trail, crawl. You've got your turf mode, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, your diff lock. Now, notice how there's a switch missing right here. You have your power steering and your winch, but in the Limited over there, where you could adjust your suspension, You cannot adjust it from the fly in the XTR.
Nope, not on the XTR.
Not on the XTR.
However, like we talked about earlier, you do have 3 control settings.
Yep.
When you're stopped, that you can adjust on the shock tower at the top of it.
So, right here on your Fox tower, right there on your piggyback, look up on top, you can adjust your suspension right there. Now, when you are doing this, make sure that all 4 are adjusted to the same setting. You don't want to throw those off. So that's one nice feature with the Limited versus the XTR. You just click that switch and it'll automatically adjust it for you. Whereas this one, it's like the old, you know, the old trucks where you go hop out, lock it into 4-wheel drive. Not that you're locking in your, anyways, I'm just saying, moving on. All right, Braxton, while we're right here, this is a good shot. What did we find out was the difference between the Limited versus the XTR tire and wheel wise?
Tire and wheel. So you just got your standard rim. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special. It's a good rim, it's a good tire. The XTR though is where you get the magic. You have beadlock wheels, so you're not gonna pop that sucker off the rim when you're on the trail, bahawing, rock crawling, or mudding. That is one thing that the XTR, for sure, with a price point, it's a big seller.
Right.
Having to go hand in hand with that, our last feature that is the differentiating factor is the Limited has a backup camera.
Yep.
Which the XTR does not.
Right. So when you pop this thing into reverse, you've got a camera back here, right down there, that allows you on this big old dash right here to see what is going on behind you. So you've got that accessibility, that visibility when you're backing up, whereas the XTR does not. So if you have questions, put those in the comments down below. Give us a call, Braxton. What's the number?
435-427-3338.
Yep, but we would highly recommend just coming down and checking them out.
Come chat with one of us.
Climb into both of these and see which one feels better, which one has the things that you would prefer for the type of riding that you want to do. We've got, like we said, we've got the full size, we've got the compact, and we have the 2-door all in stock. They're here ready to go. Give us a call, come and see us, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along.
Ooh, also,
what?
Folks, we got this hot off the press. Yamaha's having a $2,000 customer cash rebate on the RMaxes till June 30th.
And let's not forget, Saturday, June 27th, our block party.
Boom,
you guys, we are gonna have a big old party going on right here in the middle of the parking lot. There will be a cornhole tournament. There will be 3-on-3 basketball tournament. And we just decided that there is going to be a hot dog eating contest. So if you want to register for any of those, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Limited entries for these. So get in while you can and take advantage of that. Come and hang out at the party with us. June 27th, we will be here all day long. 2 live bands. Jaegertown is coming back, and also Trainwreck this year will be here in the parking lot. So just come and hang out with us, have a good time, check out these machines, chat with me, Braxton, and anybody else here in the sales team, and let's get you into the machine that you want. And we'll see you guys in the next one, right?
Right.
Okay, later.